Kubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong regat bat ka Fitorium ka dukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam hakador ka babin
Sambut Menteri Rangba jong ka jila Pak Prastun Tensong ubabat ru ya katnat PWD jong ka Sorkar jila ula penchai ba ya ka sorong National Highway ki badan apa uput usam jong ka jila Meghalaya lapet bat penyak hi da ka National Highway Authority of India la kalong nadu ka penyeng ya ka toll gate nadu ka Marabon ya ka surok ka bahap hi hapo ka jingit clear jong ka National Highway Authority of India ha ka jingit kran bikilap thai kubor ula ongru ba ka jingkul mar ka bami haki kendiat sengi kalong namar baya ka fastag ka sorkar preng gadang supentrekam shen bat haka juk por rai thuru ba ka sorkar jila kala deputa ya project director jong ka National Highway Authority of India ban wengi kijing knang ba kan omlong kijing penthut ikipat ba nong let nong wan ki baya ling ba ka surok National Highway ha barok ka we kijila.
We have nothing to do with that because you know well this road has been taken over by Nahai. Wherever National Highway is there means it is the lookout of the National Highway Authority of India. Be it toll gate, be it construction, be it repairing, this is the whole responsibility of the National Highway Authority of India. See, FASTag is just started, I think just few days back. So I think maybe initially they will have that kind of problem electronically. Maybe they do have that, but we have already instructed the concerned National Highway Project Director that you rectify it and then make sure that you don't harass people in the in the toll gate. See, they have 2-3 categories of rate, and just don't please I should say the consumers, don't complain so much. If you pay 160, 170 or 180, do you know how much the cost of the construction of road? 600, 700 crores. And if you feel pain paying that amount, because that again you charge it from the carriage ultimately, because these commercial all are commercial vehicles. So why should they complain? That's what I'm telling you, because this rate has been fixed nationally by the government of India. That's why we were able to get good road. That's why I'm telling you, we need to understand that commercial vehicle, please don't complain, pay. But I think right now the problem is just because of the machine that they installed. It seems they have some kind of problem here and there. So that, as I said to you, we have already instructed the project director, of this Nahai to look into it and then make sure things will go smoothly in every toll gate that day. Because see, ultimately, they are the one who leased it out, the toll gate. So not the state government at all. They were the one who has done it. So when you charge or when you have to, get the reimbursement from each and every commercial vehicles, you have to do it according to the prescribed rate, because prescribed rate is already there. So, and people who just pay like that also, I think that is not good. You need to fight. You need to say that why not you issue us a proper receipt? That. Especially drivers, you understand. The drivers, when they reach back to their destination, they have to show whatever they spend on the road. Okay? So they can do that with their receipt. They receive from any, be it a check gate, be it toll gate, be it anything. Like that. Right now there are vehicles who has not registered themselves. So in the toll gate, they have to stop. Gives your FASTag or you pay. So because some of them, they have not registered themselves. But of course the guidelines is very clear. The order from the ministry is very clear that you have to have your FASTag card. And then without that, you will not be able to allow to pass through the toll gate. So therefore, Since it has just started, as I said to you, and this is the ongoing process. Since it is the ongoing process, any new vehicle again, when you register, you have to go for FASTag. Means it is the ongoing process. Those who does not register, they need to register it.